October 13th, 2020 review. Shelly is making fruit baskets. She has 15 apples and 10 oranges. Shelly wants to make all the fruit baskets identical without having any pieces of fruit left over. What is the greatest number of fruit baskets Shelly can make? So let's take a look here. She wants to make some identical fruit baskets. She does not want to have any without having any left over. So no leftovers. And then our real big keyword here is greatest. What's the greatest number of fruit baskets that she can make? So, what do you think we're going to find? The greatest common factor. Woohoo! All right, but what are we going to find the greatest common factor of? Just any two numbers we want? No, it tells us in our problem she has 15 apples. I'm going to make that red. Well, I'll highlight it kind of pinkish. And then 10 oranges. I'll highlight that orangey. So we're going to find our greatest common factor of 15 and 10. So we have 15. Let's focus on one first. I will put the 10 down as well so that if you want to work ahead, you can. So we have 15 and 10. Now, we're trying to find the biggest number that can go into both of them without any remainders. So 15, what times what equals 15? The only other thing I can think of other than 1 and 15, 3 times 5. Yeah, 3 times 5 or 5 times 3. Oh, can we break any of those down? No, they're both prime numbers because the only two factors are 1 in itself. So 3 is a prime number, same as 5. 5 is also a prime number. So our prime factorization of 15, in order from least to greatest, we have a 3 and then we have a 5. But remember, we multiply those. Now let's take a look at 10. What times what equals 10? 2 times 5. Remember, not 5 times 5, that's 25. But 2 times 5 gives us 10. So I'm going to put a circle over our 2 because we know that 2 is a prime number because the only two factors are 1 in itself. Now, can we break down this 5 at all? No. So 5 is also a prime number because the only two factors are 1 in itself. So we're done with our factor trees now. So what's the prime factorization of 10? In order from least to greatest? 2 times 5. Now, what do they share? Do they share a 3? No. Do they share a 2? No. What about a 5? Yeah, they share a 5. Ooh, let's highlight that pink. So they share 5. There's one match of socks. Any other matches? Nope. So the only thing they share is 5. We don't need to multiply them and add by anything because the only factor that they share is a 5. So the greatest common factor is going to be 5. But now let's label it. So when we label it, 5 what? What does this 5 mean? What does that number mean? Well, the question essentially says, what is the greatest number of fruit baskets that Shelly can make? So fruit baskets. So I'm going to highlight that fruit baskets. That is our end goal, what we're trying to get to. So 5 fruit baskets is what she can make. And there's our review. Great job.